Hello guys, welcome to the Scholarship Analyst channel. And in this video we are going to be talking about studying for free in Ireland. Ireland is a very good country in Europe for international students to study abroad. And most times there are a lot of Ireland scholarship, but this particular scholarship is a fully funded scholarship that cover your tuition, living expense, your stipend, your accommodation, and which we are going to be diving deep into this video on how to apply, because it's a government scholarship, so don't miss out on this scholarship. And before I continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel and you're watching it right now, click on the subscribe button, and don't just subscribe but also put on the notification as you can see on the screen, so as to get notified when a new content is uploaded. And also in the link of the description of this video, check our WhatsApp group, our Bring Some Scholarship AI website, where you can know your chance of getting a scholarship. Also, don't forget to do that. So let's continue and let's get started. So this is the website, but let's just dive deep straight up into the video, because I don't want to make the video to be very long. I want to make it short. So this deadline 20th 23rd, that's about maybe like a month from now, so you can apply. Don't waste your time. So the supervisor deadline is 6th of November, research office deadline 13th. So you can see the Government of Ireland Postgraduate Scholarship is an established nationwide initiative funded by the Department of Further and Higher Education, Research, Innovation and Science, and managed by the Research Ireland. So it's a government scholarship. So like I said, I'll be making this video very straight and direct. You can look at their days, but I don't care about this, because it's very good to know who's funding them. But this particular scholarship is mainly for masters, PhD, or students in their first year of degree, so for which they are seeking funding that align with a full degree funding model. So you can see it's a postgraduate scholarship, so keep note of that. So either you're a master's degree, a PhD, or you're in your first year of your degree, you can apply for this scholarship. So let's look at what is the benefit, what does this scholarship offers. This scholarship is up to €34,000 per annum in any approved year, and will consist of the following: a stipend of 25,000, as a lot, contribution to fees including non-EU fees up to a maximum of 5,700, I may request additional 4,000, eligible direct cost of 3,200 per annum. So that's a lot of money. So key date, you can see, we already know the deadline as I have shown you earlier. So how do you apply for this scholarship? Like I said, I'm going to make it very simple and direct. It's going to be a very short video. So apply for this scholarship, just click on this platform. It's the simple platform. I'm going to be attaching the link of this scholarship in the description of this video. So just check the description of this video. You're going to be finding the link of this scholarship. Let's go there. So for you to register, you can see gender category, if that really concerns you. So just click on register here. If you are coming in, if you have an account, just log in. Applicant, then you click on registration, put in your country, choose your country, and then your information, and then register. Get us done. Very simple, no stress, no application fee. So far I don't know if they have application fee, but because it's a government scholarship, I don't assume that they should have an application fee. That is what I expected. So yeah, so that will be all for today in this video. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section, and don't forget to like our video, don't forget to share with your friends, and we'll meet again next week. Have a wonderful day, guys. Love you.